Hi guys, welcome to my channel Ash Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So I completely missed out another genus of succulent, and that is agave. Now it was very important to include that clip as well, but I completely missed out on that clip. So I thought that I'll make a separate video on it because this is equally important. Of late, a lot of these agaves are becoming very popular ornamental plants, and a lot of people are buying them. So of course, I wanted to talk a little bit about them, about their where they tend to naturally grow. Apart from that, what are the environmental requirements for these plants to be grown? Because again, these are put out on sale throughout the world, and people go ahead and purchase them because you can see them on the screen. They are absolutely beautiful plants. Now guys, agaves are basically the ones that are there cultivated in their natural habitat. It's basically for the agave nectar, and through which they tend to make tequila. Now there are different types of agaves. Again, a lot of new hybrids are coming up in the market. But when we are talking about the natural varieties, they basically come from the desert-like areas, not exactly desert, but desert-like areas. So they basically grow in hot and dry regions of South and Central America, mostly Mexico and the Caribbeans. So you will be able to get a clear idea with this that they prefer a very dry, they prefer very hot environment. So of course, if you are from a coastal area, most probably the plant might not do quite well. Again, I'm not very sure because I'm not from a coastal area. So if any one of you have been growing them in coastal area, please do let me know if you are able to grow them healthy, or if there are any issues that you are facing with growing agaves. Because I'm definitely 100% sure that you guys are very good with taking care of your plants, because if you were not that interested, of course, you wouldn't be searching for information on the internet or on YouTube. It's because you want to provide the best care for your plants, and I'm sure you are a very good plant parent. But a lot of times, a lot of plants do not work out really well, even after giving 101% towards the plant. Now that is not related with you, or that's not related with your shortcomings in giving care for the plant, but probably the plant does not suit or is not suitable in that particular environment. Like over here, agaves tend to grow mostly in South, their native is mostly the South and Central America, mostly the Mexico and the Caribbean. So the environment over there, it's very dry, it's very hot. They are also drought tolerant plants. So for people who are from coastal areas, as you'll all know, you are aware about your environment. It is going to be highly humid. There's going to be a lot of moisture in the air. So there could be problems with growing them outdoor. And most probably the plant might start having issues because it's not able to adjust in that environment. So always do a little bit of research, always check for the plants before you buy. What are the requirements of that particular plant? Today we are blessed with the internet, we are blessed with social media. We have so much of information on the internet. It is just one click away. It's not like a couple of years back wherein we had to go to a library, check on the books, read the books. There are different books, but today just one click away and you are going to get the entire information about the particular plant that you are planning to buy. So it's just a good practice. No matter, even if you are aware about the plant, it's always better to double check before you buy the plant, so that later on you do not have issues, you do not struggle with that particular plant. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.